What is Lake Placid's Olympic Speed Skating Oval now? Have you ever wondered what happens to Olympic venues after the Games are over? Lake Placid's Olympic Speed Skating Oval, officially called the James C. Sheffield Speed Skating Oval, is a perfect example. This iconic site is still very much alive and thriving. It is one of the few outdoor Olympic speed skating ovals still in operation in the United States. Originally built for the 1980 Winter Olympics, this oval holds a special place in sports history. It is where Eric Heiden made headlines by winning 5 gold medals. Today, it has been fully renovated and is open to the public, making it a fantastic spot for both locals and visitors. In winter, the oval transforms into a bustling ice skating rink. Public skating sessions are available, along with races and family skating activities. The ice surface benefits from a modern refrigeration system connected to the nearby Olympic Center. This ensures that the ice conditions are consistently high quality, allowing skaters to enjoy their time on the oval. When summer arrives, the oval doesn't sit idle. It becomes a venue for inline skating, and skate rentals are available for those who want to glide along the oval. This seasonal change allows the facility to be used year-round, attracting outdoor enthusiasts from all over. The stunning views of the Adirondacks surrounding the oval add to its charm. Visitors can take in the natural beauty while enjoying various recreational activities. The oval also serves as a community hub. It hosts events like the weekly farmers market and special occasions, including the Ironman Lake Placid triathlon. From the perspective of the state of New York, the James C. Sheffield Speed Skating Oval is a preserved Olympic legacy site. It plays a significant role in promoting tourism, outdoor recreation, and community engagement. This venue shows how historic Olympic sites can adapt for ongoing public use while keeping their cultural and sporting significance alive. So, if you are planning an adventure in upstate New York, make sure to include a visit to the Lake Placid Olympic Speed Skating Oval. Whether you are skating in winter or inline skating in summer, it promises a memorable experience.